Want your YouTube TV recommendations to be more tailored to your tastes? In this guide, we'll show you how to customize your suggestions and make sure you're getting content you actually want to watch. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device and sign into your account. Step 2. Access settings. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Go to Recommendations. In the Settings menu, scroll down and select Recommendations. Here, you'll find options to adjust how YouTube TV suggests content to you. Step 4. Manage your interests. You can customize the types of content YouTube TV suggests by selecting or deselecting various categories such as movies, sports, and news. This allows you to fine-tune your recommendations based on what interests you the most. Step 5. Remove unwanted suggestions. If you see content you don't want to appear in your suggestions, click on the 3 dots next to the show or movie and select Not Interested. This helps improve the accuracy of future recommendations. Step 6. Use the thumbs up or thumbs down feature. While watching content, you can also use the thumbs up or thumbs down icons to tell YouTube TV what you like or dislike. This will further refine your recommendations over time. Bonus tip. For even more control, you can periodically check and update your interests and preferences in the Recommendations section to keep your suggestions fresh. Get the most relevant content on YouTube TV. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated.